All right, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Bad at Life. I'm Butch. Today's kind of a sad day. I just went this morning at 4 o'clock this morning, drove my brother and my nephew to the airport so they could go back to Indiana. It was sad. I haven't seen my brother in a while. I miss them, I love them, and I hope they have a safe flight. And they're actually flying out straight over there is an airport. They're over there flying out. So then I came back home, got my paramotoring equipment, and took to the skies. It's been a couple weeks since I made a video because I had issues with my prop. I had a prop strike a few weeks back, and I didn't have a spare prop. Dumb of me. I do have one now, though. I have one on order. So I got this prop right here. I was going to buy it from Aviator. Aviator did not have any in stock at the time. So I was looking elsewhere. Then I found Backcountry PPG, Trevor Steele. He said he had one in stock, so I ordered it. Well, Trevor being a good guy, he called me within an hour. Texted me within an hour and told me, hey, Butch, I don't have it in stock. I just sold it the day before. He said, but if you want, I'll send you your money back, or you can wait 2 weeks. So I was like, you know what, Trevor, I'm trying to get it right now because we were going to Disney that weekend. And this was on a Saturday. We were going the next Saturday, or Friday. And so I needed it quick. So I found a place online called Glider Sports. And I believe they're with Gravity Paramotors because this prop says Gravity Paramotors on it. I was looking for a 140 prop. This came up under a 140 prop. It's actually a 130, so I guess I kind of messed up on that, not really paying attention, but I could have swore it said 140. That's neither here nor there. I ordered the prop. I ordered the prop from them, and it was supposed to come within 3 days. Well, here come that Thursday. They put the wrong address on my package. So I go back and look at my receipt. My receipt had the right address, my address on it. I tried to call Glider Sports. I emailed them. No response. The number doesn't even work no more. No response asking them to change the address. I was at Disney World with my family, having to be on the phone with UPS multiple times trying to get them to change the address, and end up coming over a week later after that. So that's a week and a half, almost 2 weeks after ordering it. If I would have just waited for Trevor to get me waited for 2 weeks to get the prop, I would have had no problems, had the right prop, had no issues. Trevor, I appreciate your business. I will do more business with you. I love doing business with Aviator and Tucker. They're great about everything I get from them. I love doing business with them. I never have any issues. Trevor proved to me he's a solid dude. He called me right away, gave me my money back, no issues. So I will be doing more business with Trevor for sure. Solid dude. But Glider Sports still has not responded to me to any of my emails. Obviously no phone calls. So I get this prop here. This prop is heavier. It's louder. It just doesn't have the power that Eprop does. I can tell the difference. I can feel the difference with the engine trying to push this prop. It's a heavier prop, so it takes a minute to spin up, where the Eprops is a longer prop and it spins up real quick. This one not so much. This one struggles. So I will never do business with Glider Sports again. I learned my lesson. Never again will I do business with them. No email back, wouldn't help me change the address. I literally talked to UPS 8 times. I went to their distribution center in Fort Myers one time and they couldn't find it there. Yeah, it took almost 2 weeks to get it, and I paid for 3-day shipping. It was terrible. I'll never do business with them again. I believe in customer support, customer service, you know, talking to the people, helping fix the problem that you made. I didn't make the problem. I gave you my right address. Whatever. It's over. My wife was right. My wife told me just to wait. But I was in a hurry. I wanted to go flying around Disney, around Orlando. Didn't happen. Learn your lesson. So this morning I figured I'd take a nice little flight and think about life, I guess. It's kind of sad. My brother and my nephew left. There's a golf cart down there. It looks like they beat the heck out of that thing. Tore it all apart. Oh, there's a truck right there too. Oh, we just left the truck out here. Trying to see what it is. It looked like almost like a Ranger. It's so smashed up you can't really tell. But I mean, it's right here by these houses, so people go mudding all out here. Looks like there's another truck right here. Yeah, right there. That's an old F-150. I'm scared to lean. I'm scared to do my weight shift with this camera sitting here. I'm afraid to throw my legs over. I'm afraid it's gonna fall out. Yeah, there's an F-150 right here, all smashed up. And you got a golf cart here, and it looks like almost like a Ranger right there, I guess it would be. Because it looks like a smaller truck. Kinda looks like a Ranger. I don't know. We'll go explore some more and see what else we see. So I'm currently trying to build a simulator for a paramotor simulator. I'm doing it with my friend Cullen. We're trying to build a paramotor simulator for him for his school. He has a paramotor training school, and we're trying to build a simulator. I got some of the pieces cut. I got to weld them. The past couple of weeks have been busy. We went to Disney. My brother's been down, so now I can get on top of it and get that thing finished because he has students coming, and I want to get him that thing, get it done. That's the right thing to do, you know, get it done for them. I'm going to do some welding on it. Looks like a go-kart frame right there. The jet ski. You know, it would be a cool video, taking that go-kart right there, that frame, and rebuilding it, building a new go-kart out of it. I've done it once with my kids already. Took a frame out of a junkyard and built a brand new go-kart out of it. Yeah, I could rebuild that for sure. I have a really good mechanical background. Grew up, my dad was a mechanic, raced cars, still does. A lot of mud holes back here. Be pretty fun to go on here on a four-wheeler or a side-by-side. My dad has two four-wheelers. Both of them need some work. I think I'm going to ask him for one of them. See if I can bring it to the house and kind of restore it. It's probably the Polaris. I really like that Polaris. I like to fix it up a little bit and kind of restore it and ride it. I gotta find time between all the other many things that I do. See, I haven't really flew that much in the past couple weeks. I flew yesterday for probably 10 minutes. My brother was there. I kind of did some takeoff and landings and landed, and we went back to the house and had a birthday party and stuff to go to. So I've been missing flying. I love flying. There's a lot of trails out here. Hopefully I don't get too far away, have a motor out or something, be stuck way out here. Oh, it's beautiful out here. I don't know if you can hear this prop. This prop is loud. It's got a loud hum to it. And you can just feel, I don't know, that's weird. I can feel the weight of this prop spinning up compared to that E-prop that I have. That E-prop, I mean, it spins up fast. This one is a wider blade. It's shorter, but it just seems heavier, you know. I don't know, it feels to me like it puts a lot of strain on the engine. I like feel bad for my engine. I serviced my engine last night. I try to do it every 2 to 3 flights. I have the Pliny Thor 202. I have about, I have to check my hours, but I think I got around 50 hours on it. And what I do is every 2 to 3 flights, I clean the spark plug, check it, see how it's looking, and I clean the spark plug. I change the gear oil box, the wet clutch. Just like changing it as often as possible, because I talked to I Can Fly PPG, and he's very knowledgeable about this engine too, and he was like, you know, maintenance. So that's what I do. I keep up on the maintenance with this engine. I always change the gearbox, the wet clutch oil. I always check the spark plug, see how it's looking, make sure it's burning right. Clean it. I have a spark plug cleaner. I clean it. I don't know what that was. Almost like a porta potty. There's a car. Look, it's burnt. Looks like there's like oil or something coming from it. Crazy people just come out here. There's beautiful, you know, trails and stuff. They just steal cars and stuff and bring them out here and burn them, you know. That's sad. Oh, here you go. Here's a part of another truck. Here's the cab. Looks like they cut the roof off of it. The front clip and the frame's missing. Might be a car. It's insane, man. Hey, everyone. I didn't record an outro for this video because I kept filming longer after this, and that video will be coming up soon. I just want to tell everybody that this is my opinion on what brand that I like. I like Aviator, I like Backcountry PPG, and I like Tucker Gott. Your opinion is up to you. What you like and who you want to shop with is up to you. This is my opinion of who I shopped with and my experience, and I'm just letting everyone know what I had to deal with, and I hope it doesn't happen to you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. And as always, stay bad.